42 questions. How far can you get? Let's go! Question 1. Who is the king of the Greek gods? Is it Zeus, Poseidon, or Hades? Option A. Zeus. Zeus rules Mount Olympus. Question 2. Poseidon is the god of what? The dead, the sea, the sky. Lock it in. Option B. The sea. He carries a powerful trident. Question 3. Who is the goddess of wisdom? Hera, Athena, or Aphrodite? Option B. Athena. She wears helmet and aegis. Question 4. Hero famous for 12 labors? Is it Hercules, Perseus, or Theseus? Option A. Hercules. He was the son of Zeus. Question 5. Apollo's twin sister is who? Demeter, Hestia, Artemis. Lock it in. Option C. Artemis. She is goddess of the hunt. Question 6. What melted Icarus's wings? The wind, the rain, or the sun? Option C. The sun. He ignored his father's warning. Question 7. Who is the god of wine? Is it Dionysus, Hephaestus, or Ares? Option A. Dionysus. His symbol is the grapevine. Level 2. Level 2. Building. Still perfect? Tell me in the comments. Question 8. Hera is the goddess of what? Marriage, war, harvest. Lock it in. Option A. Marriage. She is the queen of Olympus. Question 9. What was Achilles' only weakness? His arm, his neck, or his heel? Option C. His heel. His mother held him by it. Question 10. Who slew the Minotaur? Is it Theseus, Perseus, or Jason? Option A. Theseus. Ariadne gave him a thread. Question 11. Who opened Pandora's box? Echo, Psyche, Pandora. Lock it in. Option C. Pandora. It released all human ills. Question 12. What river surrounds the underworld? Nile, Jordan, or Styx? Option C. Styx. Souls cross it after death. Question 13. Who stole fire from Olympus? Is it Daedalus, Hermes, or Prometheus? Option C. Prometheus. He was chained to a rock. Question 14. What war did the Trojan horse end? Gigantomachy, Persian War, Trojan War. Lock it in. Option C. Trojan War. It was Odysseus' idea. Level 3. Level 3. The twist. Still perfect? Tell me in the comments. Question 15. How many muses were there? 7, 9, or 5? Option B. 9. There were 9 muses. That was a tough one. Got it? Most people didn't. Missed it? That's one life. Quick fact. They were daughters of Zeus and the Mnemosyne. Question 16. Who killed Medusa the Gorgon? Is it Hercules, Perseus, or Bellerophon? Option B. Perseus. Athena helped him succeed. Question 17. What nymph loved Narcissus? Daphne, Galatea, Echo. Lock it in! Option C. Echo. She could only repeat words. Question 18. Who is the god of blacksmiths? Apollo, Hermes, or Hephaestus? Option C. Hephaestus. He crafted many divine items. Question 19. What was the food of the gods? Is it nectar, manna, or ambrosia? Option C. Ambrosia. It granted them immortality. Question 20. Who was turned into a spider? Circe, Arachne, Medusa. Lock it in. Option B. Arachne. Athena punished her pride. Question 21. Which titan held up the sky? Prometheus, Atlas, or Oceanus? Option B, Atlas. Zeus punished him this way. That's halfway. How's your score holding up? That was a tough one. Got it? Most people didn't. Missed it? That's one life. Quick fact, his name is the root of Atlas maps. Level 4, Speed Round. Ready? Go! Question 22. Who ferries souls across Styx? Is it Hermes, Charon, or Hades? Option B, Charon. He demands a coin payment. Question 23. What did Psyche fall in love with? Apollo, Cupid, Dionysus. Lock it in. Option B, Cupid. He is the god of love. Question 24. Greek fate goddesses are called the Graces, the Furies, or the Fates. Option C, the Fates. They control life threads. Question 25. Who was the goddess of discord? Is it Hecate, Eris, or Nemesis? Option B, Eris. She started the Trojan War. That was a tough one. Got it? Most people didn't. Missed it? That's one life. Quick fact, her golden apple caused the conflict. Question 26. God of sleep is who? Thanatos, Hypnos, Morpheus. Lock it in. Option B, Hypnos. His brother is Death. Question 27. What does Nemesis originally mean? Victory, retribution, or fate? Option B, retribution. She is goddess of vengeance. Question 28. Wings of Hermes are called? Is it Caduceus, Talaria, or Aegis? Option B, Talaria. They are his winged sandals. Level 5, Expert. Still perfect? Tell me in the comments. Question 29. Achilles' mother was which nymph? Amphitrite, Calypso, Thetis. Lock it in. Option C, Thetis. She dipped him in the Styx. Question 30. Zeus's shield was called what? Palladium, Labrys, or Aegis? Option C, Aegis. It was made from goat skin. Question 31. How many heads on the Hydra? Is it 9, 5, or 7? Option A, 9. Heracles burned the stumps. Question 32. Orpheus descended to Hades for who? Persephone, Alcestis, Eurydice. Lock it in. Option C, Eurydice. He charmed Hades with music. Quick fact, looking back doomed their escape. Question 33. Who had the golden touch curse? King Priam, King Midas, or King Croesus? Option B, King Midas. Everything he touched turned gold. Question 34. Who was the Greek god of medicine? Is it Apollo, Asclepius, or Pan? Option B, Asclepius. His symbol is a serpent staff. Question 35. Who sewed dragon teeth for Thebes? Perseus, Jason, Cadmus. Lock it in. Option C, Cadmus. They became Theban warriors. Level 6. Level 6, the final level. Still perfect? Tell me in the comments. Question 36. What was the name of Jason's ship? Olympia, Argo, or Troy? Option B, Argo. It was named after its builder. Question 37. Who was the blind prophet of Thebes? Is it Tiresias, Laocoon, or Calchas? Option A, Tiresias. He lived as both man and woman. 5 left. This is where most people fall. Question 38. What were tree spirits called? Naiads, dryads, satyrs. Lock it in. Option B, dryads. Dryads inhabited the forests. Quick fact, they perish if their specific tree dies. Question 39. Who ate his own children? Cronus, Zeus, or Atreus? Option A, Cronus, to thwart a prophecy. Question 40. Who is the mother of Pegasus? Is it Echidna, Medusa, or Ceto? Option B, Medusa. She gave birth after death. Question 41. Greek personification of victory? Nike, Bia, Tyche. Lock it in. Option A, Nike. Her Roman name is Victoria. One more after this, make it count. Question 42. What protected Troy until stolen? Palladium, Omphalos, or Aegis? Option A, Palladium. It was a wooden statue of Athena. Quick fact, Odysseus and Diomedes stole it at night. That's all 42 questions. You had 3 chances to fall. How many did you take? Comment your number, like and subscribe for more quiz challenges.